Next one is size it up. And I have to reset mine again because I practiced all of these once before I showed you. Okay, so we're going to change the sizes of the boxes. So you can click the shape, and then you can grab this corner pull tab, and if you click with one finger and pull with the other finger, you can stretch it out. And if I come over here, I can stretch it out. Again, I showed you in another one, if you mess up and accidentally go too big in some way, you can click this undo button to get back to where you were. Now I'm going to click on I'm going to close this up here. I'm going to click on the middle one and click the pull tabs. If it's hard to see, you might want to rotate. So I'm going to actually go to the top because I can see it better from there. And here's the third one. For this one, I'm going to move it to the corner. And then I'm going to grab this corner tab here and there we go. And resize it that way. And that was size it up.